Allora, amici. Hello, mates. Good morning. Once again, we are crossing the Alcantara River. Look at this beauty. On this beautiful morning, we'll have a look on the other side as well. We had to walk a bit along the road, but now turned off and crossing this beautiful bridge into the backcountry on today's last trip, or not today's last trip, but on the last leg of the journey down to Giardini Naxos. So yeah, let's do that, eh? As sadly the last stretch is not so scenic, I opted for a piece of music that is very close to my heart. I was once asked if I could only listen to one piece of music for the rest of my life, this would be it. Bedřich Smetana's Moldau. And I find it to be very fitting as we walk along the river most of the time today. Aspetta, papà. Ming, ming, ming. Let's have a look at this church quickly. So we're on the last leg of the journey, and sadly we have to walk on the roads to get to the hotel, but it gives me time to quickly introduce one of the other members of the band. This is Herbert.
Hi.
Herbert, tell me how many kilos are in your backpack.
My backpack is about 10 kilos and plus 2 kilos of liquid for drinking.
Well, that sounds about right. That's a good measurement, I'd say. I have about 16, 17 with the photo equipment. Herbert, you want to say something?
One more hint. If you are going to do these kind of trips, you better make only 5 kilos. Less water.
Okay.
Our legs are so painful now.
Yeah, so less is more, clearly here. That's the constant of this hiking journey. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and everybody's made it. So fellas, father and son checking out, and 2 hats from South Africa are gonna be left behind, as said in the beginning.
After 95 kilometers and a couple of thousand altitude meters, we're all safely home. Everybody loved it, and now we're gonna have a wonderful Friday tomorrow where everyone can do what they want.
Cheers, eh? Hi fellas. So as the Germans say, nach der Wanderung ist vor der Wanderung, which means after the hike is before the hike. We are currently sitting here at Frankfurt Airport, and I'm going to close off the Sicily hike video with this introduction to the next video, which we are going to film on Crete this time. We're going to focus more on still photography here, do some better picture profiling, and also improve the sound quality, which is why I actually have the BOYA MagicMic with me here. And yeah, we're going to film with that very small kit, but I'm going to get into that later in the next video. Take care, thank you for watching, and see you soon.